All right, here's some hints on how to do some questions on your quiz. Okay, for question one, okay, we have it says we're given water and or water vapor and carbon monoxide gas, okay, in a reaction vessel. So at the start, we only have these two things, okay, and then basically the reaction proceeds to equilibrium. So what that means is it's now producing some of this product. We don't know how much or anything like that, but we know it's producing some. And it kind of then it's asking like what concentrations are going up, which concentrations are going down. So if it's proceeding to equilibrium, okay, and we only have these to start, we have to make some of these, which means like these concentrations will go down and these concentrations will go up. Okay, hopefully that helps with question one. Okay, and another question is question number 22. Okay, for question 22, I got set up here. We need an ice table. It's an ice table type question. Okay, any kind of question that like you're given um, initial amount. Again, we're given moles, but it's in a 1 liter container, so we can just divide by 1 liter. So we got 0.560 moles of each of these, and because so one is a coefficient, when we have minus x plus x plus x. Okay, and then we'll get this number minus x, okay, and then x here. Okay, so next we'll set up our equilibrium equation. So Kc is equal to concentration of H2O times concentration of CO divided by concentration of hydrogen times concentration of carbon dioxide. Okay, put our x's and so on in. So we got on top, we're going to have x times x, and on the bottom, we're going to get 0.560 minus x. And actually, I'm just going to put that squared. I'll erase one of these x's here. And this is squared because they're the same numbers here. So now if we put our number in here, so we got 3.86 is equal to x squared over 0.560 minus x, and that's all squared. Okay, now we can work with this. So first thing we want to do is square root both sides. Okay, that's going to get rid of our squared, which will make things a whole lot easier. Okay, so square root of 3.86 is 1.96. That's going to equal x over 0.560 minus x. Okay, now we can bring this up. Okay, now we're just using algebra to solve for x. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5.60 minus x. So we get or 0.560 minus x times 1.96 equals x. This gets multiplied by both of these numbers, so 0.5. Okay, so we got 1.10 minus 1.96 x is equal to x. Okay, so now to get this on the other side, to get our x's together, we're going to add 1.96 x to both sides. Running out of room on my sheet here, but okay, and so we have 1.10 is equal to 2.96x. Okay, because remember there's a 1 in front of this, even though we don't always remember that. Okay, and so now we'll divide both sides by 2.96. Divide both sides. And so we got x is equal to, actually I'm going to, x will come over here. X is equal to 0.37 2. 3716. Like, I use like this whole number that I added up and got and stuff from the square root. Even if you round it off, that's fine too. And then this number would be our answer, because that, like, at equilibrium is just equal to x. So since we know what x is equal, that's our number. So B is our answer.